From the depths of the sea to the hands of the chef, a journey begins. A tender fish, perfectly cooked. A gentle cream flows across the plate, soft as morning tide. Rests beside delicate ravioli, each one hiding its own secret. Then a whisper of sea foam, light fleeting, almost unreal. Drops of coriander oil ripple through the surface, and crowned at the end with rare white caviar, pearls of the sea. A plate that speaks the language of the ocean, one detail at a time.